All right. And it's important that we give you some instances where this is not an appropriate place to use form in place EMI shielding gaskets. You should not consider this design if you need high pressure sealing or repeated opening and closing of the box.
Other examples where FIP gaskets should not be used are extreme environments with extreme temperatures and where the gasket may possibly see harsh chemicals like cleaning solvents or jet fuels. Also, where outgassing is a concern. For high environmental sealing, high cycling, and chemical resistance, conductive elastomer gaskets are a better alternative, and Parker Chomerics offers dozens of different combinations of material and filler types in a near endless array of profiles and shapes.